everyone, welcome to the Good Cooking Ideas channel. Today we are going to make the vegetable stir-fried noodles. It's also called Chow Mien. This dish is so easy, delicious, but not greasy. It's good for workday's lunch, family meals, or friends' party. It stays tasty even when it turns cold. You can heat it in microwave for only 30 seconds to restore the flavor. Adding pork, chicken, or seafood turn into different styles of chow mein. The ingredients are showing on the screen for your reference. Let's get it started. But first, you want to buy this fresh noodle at local Chinese grocery store. It is a cooked noodle, so we don't have to cook it a long time. Boil a pot of water. Add the noodles into the boiling water. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes. While the noodles cooking, let's prepare the cold water with ice cubes. Quickly move the half-cooked noodles into the ice water. Drain the water thoroughly. Then set it aside for the later use. This step is very important. Washing away excess mucus on the surface of the noodles and quickly cooling down are the tricks for making fried noodle smooth and non-sticky. Now prepare the vegetables. Fresh shiitake mushroom cut into pieces. Cut the Bok Choy from the middle into thin stripes. Cut the chives into segments. Slice a small piece of ginger, then shred it. Crack an egg, then whisk it. Pour a little oil into a hot pan. Pour in egg, heat one side, then turn it over. Fold and shred. You can skip this step if you think this is complicated. Go ahead to prepare the seasoning now. A teaspoon of salt, a tablespoon of oyster sauce, tablespoon of soy sauce, half tablespoon of sugar. Let's cook the noodle now. Heat the pan, add the vegetable oil, stir-fry the ginger shreds. Pour into Bok Choy. Pour in shiitake mushrooms. Add a pinch of salt. Cover the lid for half a minute. Add shredded egg and cool noodle. Stir well. Cover for another minute and let the noodles warm up with the vegetable at the same time. Pour the sauce onto the hot noodles. Mix well. Finally, add chives and red pepper. Turn up the heat for 1 or 2 minutes to allow the noodles to fully absorb the sauce and the flavor. Drizzle the sesame oil on the top before serving. Ready to go! Here are key points of making chow mein. The first, only half-cook the noodles in the boiling water. Second, be sure to clean the noodles, drain the water, and stir-fry the noodle when it's cool. I hope that you will be able to make good noodles after watching this video. Leave me a comment down below and let me know if you have any questions. If you find this video helpful, please give me a thumb up, subscribe, or forward it to your friends. Thanks for watching.